Hi, I'm here to show you how longitudinal data collection works on our mobile app. Before we see how to capture data longitudinally, let's take a look at what this kind of research is. Broadly speaking, field research can be divided into two types: cross-sectional, those in which the subjects are surveyed only once, and longitudinal, in which the same population is surveyed at different moments of time to understand how they're behaving. For us to compare the variables of the same subject longitudinally, we must be able to link the different measurements back to that person. A common workaround for this is to collect demographic data each time we gather information on our subjects, and use those demographic values, such as name, date of birth, and gender, to link the data back to that person. That method of doing longitudinal research can be quite cumbersome because it requires researchers to re-enter the same demographic or baseline data each time. The best way to conduct longitudinal research in clinical and field studies is to use software that supports a functionality called case management. Case management allows researchers to create cases and upload data within them over time. You can think of a case as a folder that you can open and close each time you need to update information on a subject. When using case management, the demographic or baseline data is only collected once, and every longitudinal measurement that you make for that subject simply goes inside of that case. Let's now hop to Teamscope to see case management in action. I'm now on Teamscope, where I have previously created a longitudinal study to show you how this feature works. When I open the app, I can see that a case has already been created, case number 1. If I tap on this case, I can see the data that has been uploaded before by someone in my team. And if I tap on that demographics form, I can see the data in it. This patient hasn't had yet any follow-up forms used, so I'm going to tap on the plus button at the top right-hand corner to upload data to case number 1. By tapping on save, the data is now stored in the cloud and available for the rest of my team to see it. To finalize, let's create a new case. To create a new case, tap on the plus button at the top right-hand corner and give your case a name. This case will be case number 2. With my case created, I can now go in it and upload demographics data. So that is, in a nutshell, how to use our case management feature to collect data longitudinally. If you're planning on doing a longitudinal study, head over to teamscopeapp.com for a free trial.